What's the meaning of AGM? AGM. 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 AGM stands for Annual General Meeting. It is a yearly meeting that publicly traded companies hold for their shareholders. During the AGM, the company's financial performance is reviewed, board members are elected, and important decisions about the future of the company are made. Shareholders have the opportunity to ask questions and vote on resolutions. The AGM is an important event that helps ensure transparency and accountability in corporate governance. Overall, the AGM serves as an important forum for communication between companies and their stakeholders.